Welcome to Sri Lanka, a beautiful island with amazing waterfalls. Let's check out the top 5 waterfalls you must see. Ravana Falls. First is Ravana Falls in Ella. It's 82 feet tall and looks stunning, especially during the rainy season. Dialuma Falls. Next is Dialuma Falls, the second tallest in Sri Lanka, at 720 feet. It's great for hiking and swimming. Bambarakonda Falls. Bambarakonda Falls is the tallest, standing at 863 feet. It's a must-see, especially after the monsoon rains. Dunhinda Falls. Dunhinda Falls, near Badola, is 210 feet tall. It's famous for the misty spray that surrounds it. St. Clair's Falls. St. Clair's Falls is called the Little Niagara of Sri Lanka. This beautiful double waterfall flows through tea gardens in the Nuwara Eliya district. Montage of all 5 waterfalls. These are just a few of the amazing waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Plan your visit to see them yourself. Like, subscribe, and share Serendiblk for more travel tips.